A trusted global leader in thermal processing, this company brings over 65 years of innovation, research, and quality to the world's most advanced technologies. Founded in New Jersey and with a presence across all continents, they're making tomorrow's technology possible everywhere. Meet Heller Industries.
Heller Industries is a global manufacturer of thermal processing equipment, primarily solder reflow machines and epoxy curing machines. The company was founded in 1960 by my father here in New Jersey, and right now we have about 650 employees. The most important of our core values is our drive to always say yes to our customers' requests. For example, our customers will often ask us to build specialized custom machines so they themselves can have a competitive advantage in the market. It is very difficult to do, but it does provide an advantage for our company as well. It allows us to cement a very strong relationship with our customers, and it allows us to always remain at the leading edge of technology.
We take great pride of what we're doing here. There are so many things we're so depending on our daily life is that at one point of its lifespan would probably pass through one of our machines. When people talk about the tech industry, we think about the AIs, the fancy gadgets, or the supercomputers, but the bottom line is we need machineries that fabricate those devices, and we are the provider of those machines.
For Heller Technologies, it's instrumental for us to deploy and implement some of the most advanced engineering design techniques. We use finite element analysis and computational fluid dynamics to simulate and optimize our designs at the very early stages in collaboration with the customers whose input is very important so they can adjust their requirements and specifications. We use our lab tools to verify those simulations. We also can use rapid prototyping to fabricate 3D parts that we can use for testing. Important to note that in our industry, it's very important to collaborate very closely with industry experts and consultants who can help us customize solutions for specific requirements of the customers.
Well, what makes Heller special is not just what we build. It's who we are as an organization. With 25% of our employees in R&D, it's a pretty remarkable build for any company of our size. And so we have employees that are hardworking, hungry, and humble from all facets of the globe. And we do operate with the principle that we are all stronger together than any one of us alone. And it's not just about the mission of the organization. Our employees really focus on helping each other to grow and to succeed, which makes us a much stronger organization in the end.
We give our customers a competitive edge by providing them a quality product, a low cost of ownership, and our low mass heater technology, which allows us to have more heating zones in the same heated tunnel length, which will allow us to sculpture the profile and provide a low delta T. They can also send their product back to our engineering lab in New Jersey, where we can develop a profile and show them how low the delta T can be with our technology.
At Heller, we push ourselves to do difficult things that bring value to our customers and competitive advantage to ourselves. We always say yes, we build special machines, and we have global operations. This and our incredible team is what makes Heller Industries one of the world's greatest.